Friends, in this question, it is given that a meter scale, it is made up of two material. One is half wood, half is made up of steel, and initially it is pivoted at the wooden end, and after that it is pivoted at steel end. Same force is applied in both the cases. You need to tell in which case the angular acceleration produces more. First option is smaller in first case, is smaller in the second case, equal in both the case, larger in the larger in the first case. So just see this problem. This is our first case first. This is case second. So case first, like it is firstly we are applying we were pivoted with this wooden end is pivoted. This is pivoted, wooden end is pivoted, and a force is applied at the steel end. There is certain angular acceleration will be produced, that is alpha 1. Now in the second case, steel is pivoted at this end. This is pivoted means fix. With the help of hinge or certain bolt we fix it. Now we are applying a force at the wooden end, and there is certain torque which will act. There is angular acceleration alpha 2. Now it is very important to understand that definition of torque. Torque is R cross F. So we know that we are applying, this is the point of application of force. The distance of the point of application of force from the axis of rotation is same in both the cases, hence tau is same in both the case. We know tau is equal I alpha and alpha is equal to tau upon I. Since tau is same, so alpha is inversely proportional to the I. If I is more, then alpha is less. If I is less, then alpha is more. As we know that the moment of inertia of this combination steel and wood is very high as compared to the steel and wood in the second case. Let us understand how is it high or how is it low. See, this is steel and this is wood. This is the center of mass where the whole entire mass of steel is concentrated. This is the center of mass of wood where the entire mass of wood is concentrated. So distance of I just calculated the moment of inertia of the combined system, that is the mass of steel ms and its distance from the axis of rotation. Since this is L by 2, then half is L by 4. This is L by 4, this is L by 4, so distance will be 3L by 4. In a similar way, wood. Clear? So ms into mass. What is the formula of moment of inertia? If the point mass is present, mr square. What is m? M is the mass of the individual object, r is the distance of point mass from the axis of rotation. So I will be ms, mass of steel and its square of the distance, plus mass of wooden and its distance from the axis of rotation. So center of mass point is a very small point, or we can say that imaginary point where the entire mass of the system is concentrated. So we can consider center of mass to be the point size. So I just calculated this. Since mass of steel is greater than mass of wood, hence I1 is greater than I2. If I1 is greater than I2, then alpha 2 will be greater than alpha 1. Hence the option is, which option? Alpha 2 means alpha 2 is greater than, means angular acceleration is more in second case as compared to first case. So right answer is option 1, is smaller in the first case. So thank you everyone, thanks a lot. If you like this video, please share to your friends, because they are also searching this doubt, or they may get help from us. Thank you so much, thanks a lot.